Hi, Tom here with this week's Circle Line Art School video, how to draw a simple optical illusion, a shape impossible to make in 3D, but we can draw it in 2D. Start by drawing the shape of an eye, a sort of almond-like shape. And next to this we can draw a dot, a small distance away from each of the points of this almond-shaped eye. Now draw a short line coming down from the left dot, and then another short line, but this time going up on the right dot. Next, and for this stage you might need to sort of visualize and think about it before you do it, we need to draw a line that continues this top curve here to the right, and then continues to curve down, and then up to the left of the top of the left line, and then up higher than that, while also going to the top of the right line. If you draw this and it's a bit wobbly or wrong, I would suggest just draw it again and you'll get into the flow of making it more of a smoother curve. So for the last line, we need to start redrawing the bottom curve, this time going left. Then we curve it around to touch the bottom of the right line, and then continue to curve it around to the left until we reach the bottom of the left line. So now we've done it. It just took 6 lines and 2 dots, but it probably takes a bit of practice too. Next, we need to erase any areas of the curve that are not smooth, and then we can redraw those bits to make the drawing smoother. If your drawing basically works, just erase the bits that you need to improve. Don't erase too much to get the smooth curves that we need without any bumps. The last step to make this look more 3D is to add some shading, graded shading from the dark to the light. And again, on the left here, we can go from the dark to the right too. And then on the inside right, we can go dark to light. And on the inside left, we can also go dark to light. So to do this sort of shaded grading, you just press with the pencil quite firmly, and then as you move the pencil away from where you started, you apply less pressure to the pencil, and the mark should get not so dark. I hope you like this drawing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of the drawing videos that I make. I post a new drawing every week. Thank you very much for watching this drawing. I hope you keep drawing and see you next time. Bye bye.